like those located in the Memphis, Atlanta area, or should the net be cast more nationally? So that's a great question, Ben. I think the answer is yes, yes, and yes. So I think there was a point made, I believe, by President Walsh on a deficit discussion or one that is an investment in talent. I think the schools, our schools, have something to offer. And that's really the point. We have something to offer. Almost every company we speak to say they would like to have more diverse talent, and then often they follow up, but we don't know, we can't seem to find it. And that's our entree to say, okay, we can take you to where to find it. I don't think you should bind yourself by geography. I think you should bind yourself by talent. So if it's an aviation company and they want to diversify their aviators and you have them, that's how you start that conversation. If you would like to hire 10 aviators a year, come here and we can probably give you 20 to select from. I think that's the conversation, and it's not bound by geography. I think if necessary, if they want to hire local,